Hey, what's up guys? This is Johnny here again. Today we're looking at a sneeze guard that I ordered from boldplastic.com. This one here specifically is for a Toyota Corolla. This is from the year 2014 through 2020. Took about a week and a half to get here. They shipped it out the very next day when I placed the order. Let's open it up and check it out. Alright. So this was $145, but it was on sale. I ended up paying $99 total. That included tax and all. Well, there was no shipping cost. It was just $99. That's all I paid. So check it out. boldplastic.com. Alright guys, once you get it out the box, this is what you have. You have the 4 Velcro straps that you need in order to install it. You have the protective film that you need to remove. I went ahead and started here. It was much easier, although it says to peel here. And it has that warning, important. Remember, before installing, remove protection film. Again, this is from boldplastic.com. This was $145 regular price, but I paid $99 total. It was on sale. Anyways, this is what it looks like once you take it out the box. Stay tuned for part 2. That's when we are going to install it.